Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to give you a fleet update. Thanks for joining me. So today I am going to give you a fleet update. First, I'm going to go ahead and do like a quick little rundown, and then I will go into detail on each of these. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we have Mercedes, Volkswagen, Jeep, GMC, Harley-Davidson. All right, so starting with that SLK 230, what a fun car this is. I absolutely love it. It's got the 2.3 liter supercharged 4-cylinder engine. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission. Exciting to drive. You're very involved with it. It is really a good driving experience. You put that top down, windows down, stereo up, very responsive, and it's just a real good car. Power to weight ratio, it's not high horsepower, but it's got a great power to weight ratio, and so it's got really a decent amount of power for this little roadster. So just a lot of fun. So absolutely love this car. Next is the 2012 Mercedes C300. I've had this car for a few years now. It was the first Mercedes-Benz that I purchased, and I just absolutely love this car as well. It's got decent comfort, adequate power. It's got that 3-liter V6 engine. I forget if it's I think it's a 7-speed automatic transmission, but really it is a nice entry-level luxury car. Now I did have an accident with this a few months into owning it, and the repair was not done very well, so that I do really dislike about the car, but overall I do enjoy this car, and I've taken it on a cannonball run with my wife and daughter, and so this car has been across the country twice, and I just love to drive it, so I drive it as much as I can. Then we've got the 2007 Mercedes C280, and this is the cheapest Mercedes-Benz I have purchased. It was $700, and my wife does not care for this car, but I do enjoy it, and I try to drive it as much as I can. It's more of a secondary vehicle than a daily driver. And this little Mercedes we've had for about 3 weeks now, and he's actually a pretty nice little guy. He's learning to get along with Chai, or Chai is learning to get along with him. They still fight, but they try to play together. He is Persian, English short hair, and Siamese. So nice little mix. Cute little guy. Again, trying to get him and Chai to behave together, and I'll show a little video of Chai as well because he's getting pretty big. Okay, and so here's Chai. Like I said, he's getting to be a really big guy, and they don't always get along so well. But we've only had Mercedes for 3 weeks, so it's going to take a while for them to adjust to each other and be able to play nicely. They do sometimes for about 30 seconds, or sometimes for about a half hour, but they always end up kind of getting at each other. So that's Chai. All right, and next we have the 2007 Volkswagen Beetle convertible. We've had this now since, I believe, the fall of 2019 is when I purchased this one. So it has been around the longest. It's fun. It's in storage in the garage right now, but it's a fun car to drive. It's convertible. It's got, adequate power. It's got the manual transmission, so
It's a 2.5 liter 5-cylinder engine, and then that 5-speed transmission. So it's fun to drive, and we'll have this around for a while. Next is the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we've had this for a long time. It has sat for another year, and I've gotten absolutely nothing done with it other than move it outside of the garage. And so I think realistically this thing has to go. So I don't know if anyone is interested in it. I'd probably cut it loose for about $700. At least I would break even-ish. I'll probably have a little bit more than that into it, but it just has to go because I'm not doing anything with it. And then we have our GMC Sierra, a very nice, inexpensive pickup truck that we picked up at auction, and my wife found this one, and this was around $600. So again, I love cheap vehicles, and it's nice to have a truck just to go get stuff. We went and got some wood to rebuild our steps around Thanksgiving. We can haul stuff to the dump, and again, it was cheap, so it doesn't matter. I mean, the paint is not great. The clear coat is coming off, and it's got little rust spots. It's got like 230-some thousand miles on it, or 240-some thousand, I don't know. But, it's always nice to have a truck around to do things with. Alright, and then my Harley-Davidson XL 1200R. So it's a Sportster Roadster, 1200 cc's. This thing is a lot of fun to ride, and I've been riding a lot lately. I've had it out a couple of times in February and a couple of times in March. However, we just had a blizzard come through yesterday, so not going to be riding it for a while, but at least until the snow melts again. But it is a lot of fun to have, and had it for a couple of years now, and I plan to have this on the channel a little bit more. And I mean, there's not much to do as far as modifying it or anything. There is some maintenance that I'm going to need to do, that service, bringing it out of storage and things like that. So just a few things I need to do, but overall, absolutely love it, and it is just a really, really exciting motorcycle to own.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.